Are you tired of dealing with foot pain that just won't go away? Have you visited multiple doctors, had countless visits, and still no answers? We understand your frustration, and we're here to offer you a different approach, an innovative, world-class solution that doesn't involve drugs, injection, or surgery. At our practice, we specialize in treating a wide range of foot conditions, from the simplest to the most challenging. Even if your foot condition is unknown, we have the expertise to help. Imagine a patient just like you who had been through X-ray, MRI, consultation, only to hear that everything appears normal. That's where we come in. With over a decade of experience, we have dedicated ourselves to providing a non-surgical solution that actually works. Whether you're suffering from chronic foot pain, struggling with sport injury, heel pain, or facing a foot condition that seems impossible to diagnose, we're here to listen and to help. Our approach combines cutting-edge technique with compassionate care, ensuring that you receive personalized treatment tailored to your unique needs. Join the countless patients who have regained their mobility and quality of life thanks to our innovative technology. Don't let foot pain hold you back any longer. Take the first step toward relief today. Contact us to schedule your consultation and discover how we can transform your foot health together. Let's walk toward your foot pain-free future. Your feet deserve to have the best, and so do you. Thank you.